Meaning of individualization.
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 Individualization. Individualization refers to the process of tailoring products, services, or experiences to meet the unique needs and preferences of individual customers. It involves gathering and analyzing customer data to create personalized offerings that are relevant, timely, and engaging. The result of individualization is increased customer satisfaction, loyalty, and advocacy. By offering customized solutions, businesses can differentiate themselves from their competitors, build stronger relationships with customers, and drive revenue growth. However, individualization must be balanced with privacy concerns and ethical considerations to avoid backlash and damage to brand reputation.